Guyanese across the globe are coming together to contribute to the development of their home country. Strong emotional ties are the driving force to the success of the recently formed United Guyanese Diaspora Global Network, UGDGN. President of the network, Forde, who has been engaged in diaspora studies for many years, has been the backbone of the network, whose mission is to contribute to the social and economic development of Guyana.
Guyanese who left Guyana, even when they were young, always have an emotional tie, an emotional bond to the country. And as they say, the navel string is buried there, so you will always have that connection. And Guyanese have different levels of interest and emotional interest in Guyana in terms of how they do things. There are those who are very, very passionate to assist, and others are moderately passionate, and so on. But Guyanese generally living outside of Guyana still care. Many of us really didn't want to leave, but because of certain circumstances, two factors. One is called the push factor, and the other is the pull factor. These things affect all migrants across the world. The push factor is the situation and conditions in the homeland, and the pull factor are the opportunities and possibilities that exist in another land. So when Guyanese leave, is not because they have dropped their emotional ties, but because some situations push and others pull.
So far, the network has raised over 5,000 US dollars, which funded over 200 hampers to single women affected by COVID-19 in Guyana. The network has also produced a public service announcement for the Ministry of Public Health on the COVID-19 guidelines. Some of the members of the network's advisory board appeared in the PSA.
I am Dr. Savitri Lennis. I am a member of the United Guyanese Diaspora Network. We join in support of the Ministry of Public Health to help keep you and your community safe from the threat of COVID-19.
Well, we have, as our advisory board, we have some very talented people. Dr. Blackman, Dr. Dalrymple, Dr. Savi Lennis, Claudia John, Shuba Games, and who am Dr. Lear Matthews, and a few others, Sharon Jones, and so on. So everyone puts in their pound to assist in the process. And the interesting thing is that we're all in different states. So we've got people in New York, in Mississippi, New Jersey, and of course here in Florida, and even in Guyana, Mr. Phillips.
Previously, the network funded Christmas parties for kids in Rose Hall and contributed 600 backpacks for children. On Saturday, June 27, marks the second anniversary for the network. Due to COVID-19, celebration plans slated for Tampa, Florida had to be canceled. There is now a celebration via Zoom.
So with this event, it'll be the first time we're attempting something like this on Zoom. And we have the Congresswoman Eva Clark will be our guest speaker at the event. We'll have some drumming by one of our folks, and then we'll have a cultural bit of poetry called "This Time in a Long Time" by Dr. Matthews.
For the Guyanese Diaspora News, I'm Jennifer Jabbar.